You're gonna grab a cart, throw your fish on them, wheel them in, rinse them off, take the hooks out, take your stringers out, and we'll do them up. My name's Jen. I'm actually a nurse. I do this on my off time. I've been cleaning fish for Mike here at the Fish on Motel in Pulaski for the last 30 years. Yep, I stopped here for a job when I was 16 and here I am. It's just still here. I started as a bagger. I bagged all the fish for the filleters, and then I moved over to the table and I never left it. A lot of people don't do this. I cut the belly and then I'm going to empty the eggs out. And then you just go down the backbone, take that meat off. I leave it attached to the handle. And then you just fillet the skin off. And when we flip it around, it has the rib cage on it, so we want to take that off. You want to take a nice smooth cut because you don't want to take all their meat with it. So when you take it off, it should be paper thin. Then I just cut the belly off just so it doesn't flop down and get in my way. My arms are short, so I got to take a step to get it all. Then we rinse them. And we bag them. $4 for all that. $4.
You got $4? Well, you're gonna be cleaning it yourself then.
These people become family. Good job. You see them year after year. Every year they come in, they're like, oh, and they always say, see you next year, and you look forward to that. The older gentleman that just left, he came over, gave me a hug, told me he loved me. That's why I do it. I've been a fish cleaner since I was a kid, so it is a big part of my identity. As you can see, my arms. Like all the fish cleaners, they have these big ugly salmon tattoos. Well, I didn't want a big ugly salmon tattoo, so I got the salmon, and then this part's the carcass for filleting fish, and the butterflies made it a little more curly. It's a nice one. It's gonna hurt my arm. I don't know. Every year I say I'm not doing it no more, but I do. You wake up and every ounce of your body hurts, and you're like, do I really want to do this another day? Once you get moving, everything loosens up, but it's tough. It's tough. We might just have to hang it up and get in the hot tub. It's sad to think the day will come that I won't be in here. Thanks, guys. That's gonna bug me. Every year I'm gonna say the same thing. This is it. But I'll see you next year.